It's been a while since we've had a successful robbery on camera.
Well, what can we rob?
I don't know. Also, what is James doing? Grenade noises. Seriously, Charles, where are you even getting all these weapons? Well, what is there to do now? If they can't do it, then I will just do it myself. Who are you? I am Sam. You sound horrible. I'm just gonna put you out of your misery. Charles, I found a place to rob. Alarm noises. We got the diamond! Charles, quick, use your flamethrower!
It ran out of fuel.
I'm so glad to get lines in this episode. Charles! Help me.